Yeah, hi everyone. This is Srinivas. So welcome to Ameerpet Technologies. Today I am going to discuss about the Python introduction. See, in today class, I'll explain what all the concepts I am going to cover. Okay, and so how the course will be. So where we are practicing, what we need to install, all the basic things I'll explain today. See, this course is a Python plus SQL course. So which covers the contents of Python as well as the contents of SQL also. So both will cover. But in Python, not only the basic Python, remember, here it is all core Python concepts as well as advanced Python concepts we will cover. In a core Python concepts, mostly we are concentrating on logical programming. Completely we concentrate on logical programming, which covers introduction to Python, all the basic concepts, introduction to programming. Next one, concept of variables. Of course, Python is not supporting data types, but data conversion methods are there. Okay, operators, control statements in the sense if block, if else block, nested if loops, nested loops, pattern programming, complete logical programming we cover, pattern programming, right? All these things we cover in a core Python. Most of the people will teach that data types like list, set, tuple, all these things will teach in core Python only. But here it is, we will learn in advanced Python because after completion of hoops only, we need to understand those. Right here it is in this one functions concept also we cover. Functions concept, different types of functions are there, all concepts we cover in core level. Then we will move to the advanced concepts like object oriented programming concepts, string handling concept, strings, exception handling, multi-threading, inner classes, modules, packages, and so many other concepts are there. File handling, graphical user interface we cover here. It is a Kinter module we cover. And the next one is a SQL concepts we are going to cover. SQL, we will install MySQL database management system. Not only SQL, in that PLSQL concepts also we covered. All the basic queries, such as DDL commands, DML commands, DRL commands, data control language also, DCL commands we cover. Then we will move to operators and data types. Next one is the aggregate functions. After aggregate functions, we go with the clauses. After clauses, constraints. Once you good at constraints, then subqueries and joins. Joins we cover. In PLSQL, we cover stored procedures and functions also. Stored procedures and functions. These are enough in SQL. So finally, we are learning after completion of this Python plus database connectivity. How to do all operations from Python to MySQL database connectivity, we will discuss this one. After that, we will learn the concepts of data science modules. Here, all collection data types we cover: list, set, tuple, dictionary, list, set, tuple, dictionary, frozen set also we cover. and few advanced concepts are there. Recently introduced concepts, those things we cover. Next, the data science modules called NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. These are the few libraries modules we cover, and some more other modules also we are going to cover. These are the complete things we are going to cover in this 45 days of course. And how every day the class will go. So first one, suppose whenever I explain one topic, followed by one worksheet is there, the practice sheet is there. Theory class, followed by practice sheet. After practice sheet, then practical implementation, practical codes. Every day the class will go like this only. Okay. So what all the practice sheets, how the practice sheets will be. Okay. In a simple way, we can understand that I'll explain. Next one, what is the software we will install? Normally, whenever you install the Python software, right here, it provides one IDE called IDLE. Here only, we practice every day. But sir, so many other IDEs also there, softwares also there, can be practiced there. It's completely your wish. In companies, most of the people expect that PyCharm, Spider, like our Anaconda, Spider will come with the Anaconda, Atom. Sir, currently I'm using Visual Studio Code, right? Anything. If you know already how to work with the Python, that simply you can use any IDE. But initially, we use the default IDE which comes along with the Python installation. Just with the Python installation software, what all the things will come that we are using. Simple. Right? These are the, yeah, tell me. Yeah, see, I'll tell you. Let me first, let me show you clearly. See, while it is removing, just let me explain few things. See here, normally, suppose if you have installed Windows operating system, along with the Windows operating system, Windows Media Player will come, which is used to play videos. But see, whenever you want to play video, we have many options. Of course, we can use the Windows Media Player. No, sir. Can I install VLC player? Yes, which can play with more sound. Yes, you can. Sir, can I use a GOM player, like all-in-one player, right? Like MX player. So many options we have now. So in the same way, right? Suppose if you have a Python program, that program you can play with the default one ideally. No, sir, I will download so many third-party things are available. So you can. So don't feel that is it necessary to learn how to work with the Visual Studio Code and all? No. Learning the concept is important. Once, how much time it will take to learn concept? Suppose the total Python learning maybe it will take, suppose initially all these concepts maybe 40 days it will take, consider 40 days. Sir, if I want to learn how to work with the spider, it's just 10 minutes task, just 10 minutes. even PyCharm. It's a 10 minutes task. So no need to concentrate on these things. Anyway, we will use in future. Okay. But initially we need to concentrate on writing programs. Nothing but creating the video or creating the movie takes lot of time. A lot of time it will take. Just to play the movie, it will take not even a 5 seconds. Just opening that one, executing that code. So most of the people saying that we are writing the code in PyCharm, Spider, Anaconda, Atom. See, whenever they are giving this kind of names means what most of the people will interact. That's not a big thing. Writing the code is important. Anywhere, even just copy the code and paste it in online compiler, it will give you the output. That part is very, very important. That part. So we need to concentrate on programming. That is. See here, how to install, okay, and how to write the first code in a using the Python. Everything I'll explain. So along with me, you people also please install. Just directly from the Google, here it is. You can search directly Python download. Python download. That's it. It's an open source. See, ORG means what? Open source organizations. See, directly download Python. Python.org. This is the website you can download the Python. The latest version you can download. For Windows version, directly it is available. If any other version, here it is options they have provided clearly. Okay. So once you click on this one, so automatically the download will start. Here it is, you can see that download. It's just a small file, around 25 MB is there. Just 25 MB. So once the download has been completed, so go to that folder where it is showing folder. It will show that where it is downloaded. Just double click on this, then installation will start. But whenever you are installing, see here, install now, and this one, please add this, add python.exe to the path. Path settings important whenever we are using some of the libraries and all that I'll explain later. This one. Okay. Add python.exe to the path. What is this path? I'll explain. Just check this. Install now. Click on that. Then installation will start. This is the simple way to set up that Python software. Yeah, better you install because you just practice along with me. No problem. Yeah, yes. Just in a Google search, in a Google, open Google, just Python download. Then in the beginning only, it will show that python.org. See the latest version. Just if you click on that one, it will show that latest version here. See, download the latest version for Windows here. Just click on this button, automatically download will start. Okay, na? So once it has installed, just close. After installation, how to open the file? How to open the file? Once installation completed, just search in all programs. From all programs, just search for either Python or directly IDLE. See here in the search box. Python, suppose if you search, it will show that IDLE Python, it will show. Just click on this one. Then automatically that software will be opened. See, first let me explain few points about this software. Before going to learn, just today try to understand about this software. It will open. See, the name it is showing that it is a shell. IDLE shell. This software is called shell. A very important point is what? In this shell, we cannot write programs. So then what we have to do? We cannot write programs. So what we can do is what? We can simply execute commands. What are the commands? Here, 10 plus 20. Value is a 30. 5 is multiplied with 3. Value is a 15. The basic operations we can execute here. Directly you can see the output here. But we cannot write programs. Sir, addition of 2 numbers program I want to write. Biggest of 3 numbers program I want to write. We should not write here. Sir, where I should write? See, a very important one. Click on this file menu. New file is there. New file. When you click on this, then one editor will open. Just you put the editor side by side like this. Here you will write the code. Sir, addition. First, suppose I am writing print. One message I am writing. Hello. I'll explain all these things clearly. How are you? Welcome to Python. Simply 3 words I have written. But first you should save. File, save. Desktop. Here. See, you can save the file in any location. Here, in your, suppose here drives are there. You can save the file in any location. I'm saving on my desktop. This is. I'm giving that name. Any name. Suppose here it is. I'm giving my code. Just name your wish. My code dot extension is important. Py. I have given extension is py. Save. Once you save, then run again. Run module. Then output will come here. Again run. Output will come here. again run. Output will come here. Output will come here like this. How many times you will run, those many times output will come here. Is the simple way. Okay, now see here, once again I'm executing, I'm telling the same thing again. I'm telling the same thing. I'm just removing the code. My code I'm removing. The files. Again I'm starting. Search. Search for IDLE. IDLE. Then it will open a shell like this. Shell like this. File. New file. It will open the file like this. First of all, you please save the file with any name. Save. Click on this. Select any location, desktop. My code dot py. Save it. Is saved. Now you are writing the code. Anything, just print. Welcome to Python. That's it. So after save, run it. When you run here, you can see the output here. Suppose I am printing like this. Print 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Print 2 into 3. When you are executing this, 2 plus 3, 5. 2 into 3, 6. Of course, many programs we will discuss from tomorrow onwards. But actually how to download and install? Here, this is actually called Python shell. Python shell. In this shell, we cannot write programs. That is, just we can see output of the programs. And whenever you click on file new, then editor will open. New option, then editor will open. This is editor. In this editor, you can write programs. That is, after saving that, once you click on run option, then output will display in the shell window. This is the simple way of downloading and executing. See, so once again, I'm explaining what all the concepts we are going to cover means all these are. In Python plus SQL, all core Python concepts, advanced Python concepts, including the graphical user interface, SQL related concepts, Python plus database connectivity, that is MySQL database connectivity, and all the data science modules we are going to cover. That is, okay. So don't worry about the classes and all. Okay. Thank you. So tomorrow also please attend one more class from Monday onwards, because the demo sessions are going on these 2 days. From Monday onwards, we are concentrating on programming. Okay. Any other queries?